Nourish what you have started. I never knew anything about skincare, home fragrances, or book publishing, but the passion inside me kept burning, fueling my desire to equip myself with knowledge. Because if you truly want something, you will work hard for it. I never thought I'd be an entrepreneur. I never imagined I'd publish books or create my own brand and formulate my own skincare products and home fragrances. Yet, here I am, living that dream. It all comes down to my core, my goal to achieve more for myself so I can provide a better life for my family and help those in need. My heart is full and I can't contain my gratefulness. To silently give back to God keeps me grounded. It reminds me of the journey and the purpose behind my work. So, to everyone who has supported me and my business, whether you purchased something, shared my products on social media, or simply spread the word, thank you so much from the depths of my heart. Your support means everything to me and drives me to keep me pushing forward. As we approach this holiday season and look forward to 2025 and beyond, I wish you all warmth, joy, and the courage to pursue your dreams. Don't be afraid to try. You are born. The journey, discover, equip yourself. And once you have started, nourish it. Remember your goals. Remember why you are doing it. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best in life. Always remember, life is beautiful. Everything happens for a reason. Use all your life's challenges to strengthen you. Let them be your pillars to support you. Stay positive and nourish what you have started.